Amanda Reed, staff editor at SDM Magazine. Welcome to this week's Security News Roundup. ADT Commercial announced this week it has acquired Deterrent Technologies, based out of Ocean, New Jersey. Founded in 1982 by David and Carol Hirsch, Deterrent Technologies designs, installs, and services physical security and line safety systems for complex commercial environments along the East Coast. According to David Hirsch, president of Deterrent Technologies, ADT Commercial's national footprint will allow Deterrent to better serve its clients' growing needs. SIA recently submitted a letter to the Food and Drug Administration addressing thermographic systems, stating that some companies are not following FDA guidelines about the use of thermal imaging systems during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to SIA, the organization received reports from member companies who said there are products being installed with the intention of disease mitigation and management. Management and mitigation ultimately do not happen because some of the products are unable to work as advertised, which leads to a false sense of safety. SIA CEO Don Erickson said, "It's important that these thermographic solutions are marketed appropriately and used in line with FDA guidelines to prevent this false sense of public safety." ACRE announced the acquisition of Raspberry Technologies, based in Farmers Branch, Texas, to help the company's position in the communications and video market. This is ACRE's latest acquisition. Previously, the company completed acquisitions of two access control businesses, Open Options in December 2018 and RS2 in May 2019. The Monitoring Association's Ops Tech Conference began virtually this week, with sessions discussing operations management, like monitoring during a pandemic, managing a remote workforce, and creating relationships with public safety organizations. Ops Tech continues into next week with keynotes from Brian Cyprian, Cyber Supervisor of the FBI, and Scott Stanton, Senior Director at Cisco. Next week's sessions talk about the state of the industry and cover tech topics like cyber insurance and data protection. Find more in-depth information about all of these news stories and more on our site, www.sdmmag.com.